When homeowners in Scott consider upgrading their properties, window replacement often doesn't top the list. However, replacing old, drafty, or outdated windows can transform more than just the look of your home. It can improve comfort, efficiency, and even safety in ways you might not expect. From hidden cost savings to health benefits, the advantages of modern windows go far beyond aesthetics. Lower energy bills and greater comfort. One of the most significant yet often overlooked benefits of replacing old windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. Many older Scott homes were built with single-pane glass or poorly insulated frames that allow heat to escape in the winter and enter in the summer. This means your HVAC system must work harder to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. New energy-efficient windows with double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated frames act as a barrier against temperature fluctuations. You'll notice fewer drafts, more consistent indoor comfort, and lower utility bills, especially during Louisiana's hot, humid summers and chilly winters. Over time, the savings on energy costs can help offset the investment in new windows. Enhanced home value and curb appeal. Curb appeal is a key factor in determining a home's market value. Worn or outdated windows can make even a well-maintained property look tired. Modern replacement windows can instantly refresh your home's exterior, giving it a polished, updated appearance that stands out in any Scott neighborhood. Buyers also view new windows as a valuable upgrade. They appreciate the improved insulation, reduced maintenance, and contemporary style. Whether you plan to sell soon or in the future, window replacement is one of the smartest investments you can make in your home's resale potential. Quieter, more peaceful living spaces. Scott is a thriving community, but with development and traffic, outdoor noise can be a common annoyance. Old windows often do little to block sound from the street or neighbors. Newer models are designed with advanced acoustic insulation that minimizes outside noise, creating a calmer, quieter indoor environment. This noise reduction benefit can make a significant difference in your quality of life, especially if your home is near busy roads, schools, or commercial areas. The peace and tranquility you gain may be one of the most enjoyable perks of upgrading your windows. Improved indoor air quality and reduced allergens. Old windows can let in dust, pollen, and moisture through small cracks or gaps in the frames. Over time, this not only affects indoor air quality but can also contribute to mold growth around window sills. New, well-sealed windows eliminate these leaks, helping to keep allergens and pollutants out of your living spaces. With better insulation and ventilation options, modern window systems can support a healthier home environment, especially important for families with allergies, asthma, or other respiratory sensitivities. Easier maintenance and longer lifespan. Traditional wood-framed windows require frequent painting, scraping, and sealing to prevent rot and warping. New replacement windows, often made from vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, are engineered to be low maintenance and long-lasting. They resist weather damage, fading, and corrosion, meaning less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying your home. Many modern windows also feature tilt-in sashes and smooth gliding mechanisms that make cleaning inside and out much simpler, even on upper floors. Better home security. Outdated or damaged windows can pose a security risk. Weak locks, fragile glass, or frames that no longer close tightly can make it easier for intruders to gain access. Replacing your windows allows you to install models with reinforced glass, multi-point locking systems, and stronger frames, giving you peace of mind knowing your family and property are more secure. A smart investment for Scott homeowners. Replacing old windows is more than just a home improvement project. It's an investment in comfort, safety, and long-term savings. Whether your goal is to reduce energy bills, create a quieter living space, or enhance curb appeal, modern windows deliver tangible and hidden benefits that can transform your Scott home. By choosing energy-efficient, low-maintenance, and stylish replacement windows, you'll enjoy a more beautiful, comfortable, and valuable home for years to come.